dear foreign language teachers. We are the teachers of 42nd Secondary School. So we want to share with you our experience and life hacks that we used in our lessons. So we want to invite you to our seminar. See you soon!
I get wings to fly. Oh, I'm alive. Yeah. When you call on me, when I hear you breathe, I get wings to fly. I feel that I'm alive. When you look at me, I get.
She didn't like the scarf.
Yes, I agree with that, but if Kalum had told his sister the scarf doesn't fit my style, she won't understood, and I think she won't given his sister he like.
Oh my. Couldn't get much higher. My spirit takes flight, 'cause I am alive. Oh, when you come on me.
Good job, good day, and a good lesson. I wish you good luck.
Presenter. Tak, a
Characters First reactor is not secret. It is although most weak. Analysis. She's very nice.
I can't wait for the rest of my life. When you call on me, when you call on me, when you reach for me, when you reach for me, I get wings to fly. I feel that when you bless the day, when you bless the day, I just drift away. All my worries.
inspiration. Okay. You are very successful. Good luck for you. Wishing you joy and happiness.
All problems. You are all problems. Now, in our lesson, we use all the skills: reading, writing, listening.
the sun, at all the time the white light under Himalaya rays the sky.
And works of
It would be more valuable. And to say it without you is better than to say it to your face.
Yeah, spoiled with Facebook.
Tears did win here. It was ugly to the point.
You judge it, so harmful to kings are here.
But this is truth, not slander. And I'm talking about my